Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create an e-commerce store using WordPress and WooCommerce. This platform make it easy to sell products and services online, and with a few simple steps you can get started with your own online store. So the question is, what is WordPress? WordPress is a popular open source content management system that is used to create and manage websites. It is easy to use, highly customizable, and has a large community of users who share themes and plugins and tutorials. What is WooCommerce? WooCommerce is a free e-commerce plugins for WordPress that make it easy to sell products and services online. With WooCommerce, you can add products, manage order, process payment, and more, all from your WordPress dashboard. So let's started with this, and first of all, we will install a theme. The theme will be Astra. You can also find it here, and this one, click on installed. I think there is something wrong. Okay, click on activate. So our Astra theme is installed, and on this get started. And click on this build your website. Click on Elementor because we will use Elementor as page builder, and you can use any free templates, and if you have Astra Pro then you can install this premium one as well. So I am installing this brand store. Click on this and skip this. You can also add your logos from here, and skip and continue. You can select your color schemes from this, and this one or this one and this one. So okay, I am selecting this one, blue and black. So you can also select the typography from here, and like Poppins and Leto, Monostate and Leto, Rubik and Carla. So I am going with by default, and agree this. And you can also fill this form, and I am just clicking on this submit and build your site. Let's wait, and we will continue after the process is completed. So okay, it's done. View your website, and our website is ready. So let's visit the WordPress dashboard. So you can see this template is already installed, plenty of plugins which we use in WooCommerce, and let's setting up WooCommerce. Click on this WooCommerce. After installing the WooCommerce plugin, you will need to run the setup wizard. This will guide you through the process of setting up your store, including adding your product, payment methods, shipping options, and more. So okay, this is also saying this select your theme, and we will continue with Astra. And our store is ready. Let's explore WooCommerce settings. Go to WooCommerce and settings. In the WooCommerce settings section of your WordPress dashboard, you can customize how your store functions. This includes setting up payment options such as PayPal or Stripe and shipping options such as flat rate shipping or free shipping. You can also customize the appearance of your store such as adding a custom logo and set up text option for your products. Let's add some products to WordPress. So here is products and you can see all products from here. So these are the all products which comes with starter templates. Click on add new. Let's search lorem ipsum. So okay, we will copy this paragraph and paste it here. This product description is for long product description, so we will copy the long description here, and this is the product short description. So this is the product short description, so we will copy this short paragraph and paste it here. I am just doing this so you can see how this thing works. So write the price here. Here is the regular price and here is the sale price. Okay, you can also select the downloadable products or virtual product. Downloadable means then if you click check on this, the this will ask you to select the downloadable files and download limits and as well as download expiry. Or if you select the virtual product, then these virtual products are intangible and are not shipped, means there will be no shipping on this product. You can also explore this inventory and add the stock here, and as well as you can also link the product for upselling and cross selling. You can also add the attribute and advance purchase. You can also add the purchase notes, menu orders and enable reviews. So okay, let's add some product images. I will add this one and set product images. You can add the multiple images in this option, product gallery. Okay, you can also select the categories, men and women, and you can also add the product tags which you want to appear in search bar, and that's it. Just write the product name here and publish. So okay, view your product. So here is our product. As we added the sale price, that's why sale tag is appearing. So okay, let's explore another settings. Let's explore the WooCommerce settings. This section, this one, this section, journal section, allow you to control the basic setting of your store such as store location, currency, and measurement units. Let's go to products. This section, this section allow. Let's go to product. This section allow you to set up your product options such as weight, dimension, text class. You can also configure options for product variation and group products. Shipping. These sections allow you to set up shipping options for your store such as shipping methods, shipping zones, and shipping classes. Payments. This section allows you to set up payments option for your store such as credit card processing, PayPal or bank transfer. You can also configure option for checkouts and other managements. Go to account and privacy. This section allows you to control the option for your customer accounts such as registrations, logins, and account management. You can also set up privacy options for your store such as data retention and data protection policies. Let's go to emails. This section allows you to set up emails options for your store such as email templates, email triggers, and email management. Integration. This section allows you to integrate your store with other platforms and services such as Google Analytics, MailChimp, and Facebook. And the last one, advanced. This section allows you to access more advanced options for your store such as API settings, security settings, and performance settings. And you can also set the which page to show on cards, checkout page, my account page, term and condition page, and as well as checkout points. Customizing your store with WooCommerce, you have a lot of options for customizing your stores. You can choose from a variety of themes and plugins or create custom pages and layouts using the built-in page builder. That's it for today's tutorials on setting an e-commerce store using WordPress and WooCommerce. I hope this helped you to get started with your own online store. If you have any question or need more help, feel free to leave comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.